What's up guys, Thomas here again, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Found the gravel pit with a ERevo 2.0. See what we can do. Yep, gonna be a long walk. It is actually quite hard to see exactly where the landing is going to be. As you can see, there it is. And the car is, yeah, laying down there. You know, before this ended up here, there were a lot of boulders, you know, as you can see up there at the edge. And especially when it rains a lot here, it makes the ground unstable. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of walking down there. As you can see, it is quite some distance. And yeah, this was the you see perfectly at the U shape at the bottom here. Put a lot of stress on every single component here. So. Yeah, we're gonna go for so whew. Yeah, that was a good exercise pass. Yep. See how we can do this time. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go up here. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Ah. Okay. So, okay, this will be the fourth and final try to land it. It is extremely hard to judge if it's going downslope or uphill, how to angle the car. So yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Gonna fast forward this little hike here, and I'm actually gonna call it a day. The plan was to run another car, but after this mind exhausting jumping, I'll I feel really pleased. I mean, 4th time. One piece. Sorry guys, I'm gonna shut down this beast. So, be careful where you put your fingers. Okay. Sand and debris everywhere, but no sign of no cracks, broken stuff whatsoever. So what can I say? And this is not an excuse. The sand is a bit harder now, but I mean, there were rear end landings. I mean, it was extremely difficult to time that landing, but after the 4th try, yeah, and the thunderoos fan setup are doing their job extremely good, and still looks like new. I know it has a minor crack over here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix it. Painted by Gabriel RC for TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. So I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. Bye.